the windows of your dream with a lot of love so that the relationship between you and the windows stays intact forever. We are Window Expert. Window Expert holds a distinguished position in the fenestration and premium window manufacturing industry, having been established in 2004. Leveraging our extensive experience, we take pride in delivering the finest glass products for both you and your home. Our commitment is to provide the most effective and suitable solutions tailored to your specific requirements. In pursuit of this goal, we have meticulously curated a diverse product range, including sliding windows, casement windows, tilt and turn windows, vertical sliding windows, slide and fold systems, parallel windows, heavy-duty patio doors, and more. Rest assured, our products are designed to enhance the aesthetics appeal of your home. Our expertise in premium aluminium and UPVC windows consolidates all fenestration solutions under one roof, providing a distinct advantage. This enables you to compare and choose the most relevant system according to your requirements. We firmly believe that top quality materials necessitate top-notch machinery. As a result, all our windows are manufactured using German CNC machines with minimal human intervention. This approach ensures superb finishes and perfect joints. Our CNC cutting machine guarantees precise cutting of window profiles, while the routing machine facilitates flawless drainage and locking slots. Equipped with state-of-the-art aluminium heavy-duty fully automatic cutting machines, our company handles substantial work seamlessly. The Window Expert proudly introduces the Extra Slim Aluminium Series and the Aluminium Heavy-Duty Series, specifically designed for towering heights of up to 3,600 mm, that is 12 feet. Our extensive range includes a wide variety of color options for both aluminium and UPVC finishes, catering to the diverse demands of our customers. Our in-house arch window setup is a significant addition to our arsenal, enabling the precise generation of arches. Once all machining and assembly work is completed, every window undergoes rigorous quality checks. This ensures that we deliver only the highest quality windows for your beautiful space. With a production capacity of 500 windows per day and an expensive 40,000 square feet built-up production facility, we ensure timely deliveries coupled with the best finishes. Our 4,000 square feet display center, equipped with all window types, serves as a comprehensive showcase to help you choose the most relevant system. Our sales team guides you through the array of available systems, assisting you in selecting one that best fulfills your specific needs and requirements. With our customer-centric philosophy, we have traversed a significant journey, firmly believing that this approach establishes a win-win situation for both us and our valued customers. We take pride in being the Window Expert, dedicated fenestration professionals operating pan-India. Our well-qualified technical personnel and robust back-end team ensure the widespread success of our fenestration solutions. We are Window Expert, Fenestration Professional.